else. It's fine. Next question from Velatroy, who says, are we going to continue using the artifact fishing pole in BFA? And will the traits be updated to reflect BFA fishing nodes?
No, so the artifact fishing pole, as it turns out, was not instrumental in draining the power of Sargeras' corruption in Zilithus.
We must use the power of fish.
Yes, as awesome as that cutscene would have been.
The only vessels capable of containing that kind of power are the mighty weapons you wield. Raise them up as one. Draw out the corruption from the Dark Titan's blade! Together, champions, for Azeroth!